Welcome back, guys. I'm Tedward, and today we're at Tail of the Dragon. If the car will start. Oh boy, always off to a good start. Maybe not. Let's find out in a second. She usually gives us more than that.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. We're gonna find out in a second if we have 996 problems. That's worse than usual. Oh, I love that we just put a Deals Gap sticker on the car and now it won't start. Come on. There we go. That's confidence inspiring, guys.
Oh, damn it.
Come on.
Alright, just keep it running.
She's giving us some backfires.
Yeah, that's
Did you
not
hear that?
right. I did, and I feel it in my butt, too. Oh.
Come on.
There.
Stay running for me, kid. Ah, she died on me. Let's see. Eventful start to our dragon adventure. Oh my god, this f***ing car. Ah. Please don't die. We're gonna go left. Just to make sure that you feel comfortable on the Tail of the Dragon, make sure you bring a car that's gonna die on you before you even get started in it. Jeez. All right, so we're out here, one of the most famous driving roads in North America. This is the Tail of the Dragon. Deals Gap goes between Tennessee and North Carolina. And from what I've been told, it's the fastest 30 miles an hour you'll ever drive. Back in Boston, it's like 40, 45 degrees and everyone feels like spring is coming. Out here, it is 70 degrees. We've got the top down. We've got new Recaro pole positions. The top down. We've got the sunroof open. Jeez, man. Starting to lose it.
All that fuel smoke went to your head.
Yeah. This road is sketchy as f***. Pardon my French. So much camber, but unforgiving because there's really no space off this fog line. We're on Michelin Pilot All Season 4s. So the front end grip on the turn-in is not exactly a grapple hook into the corner. So you've got to nurse it in. And there's also really no auditory feedback from these tires. So they're not going to screech and squeal. They're just going to wash out on you. Now this is my first time here. I think I'm most struck just by how narrow the road is. It definitely demands respect, that's for sure. And I really don't want to take someone's head off on a motorcycle who's leaning over the double yellows. The 996 weighs, let's say, 3,200 pounds. And I think it feels pretty light and nimble most of the time. This might be the point where I'm like, hey, I need the Caterham. I need the aerial. I'm just so mindful of this front end. You're somebody who gets car sick, this is not the place for you. A little ABS in those brakes there. I do feel like the ABS comes on pretty early in this car though, but it really doesn't want to allow for any slip. Potholes, yucky. This car has just about 300 horsepower. I need none of it right now. I need none of it. Really does remind me of being in the Malibu Canyons though. Yeah, my biggest fear is decapitating a motorcyclist. Or he goes high side and flips over the Porsche. I'm not really feeling that either. How you feeling, Maddox?
This is good. My stomach got a little bit up in my throat back in the really tight stuff, but this feels like home in the Malibu Canyons.
I could puke. You know it's windy when, like, as a driver, you're like, yeah, I could puke. I think that's also, like, me not being a teenager anymore. I mean, I feel like it's, you know, my sister grew up figure skating. This is a really weird analogy. But figure skaters, you know, like, they do those spins. And they turn their head in a certain way to avoid, like, motion sickness. And, like, I'm trying to do the same thing here, where, like, on a racetrack, I'm looking up into the corner. I'm looking where I need to go. I know on video this is gonna look so tame and like pathetic, but I mean, this is pretty much all that front end has, and I'm enjoying it. I'm here for it. Takes a bit of steering lock, which I kind of find entertaining. Like, if this had a faster steering rack, this might actually be a little more boring, but I've got to work for it. You know, we've got to go a little hand over hand here. There we go, some hot hatches.
Hatch action.
I definitely feel like I've seen videos of Corvettes crashing out here. And there we go. Our photo from Killboy. Hopefully it makes us look like we're going real fast.
Got all that body roll.
Maddox, this is so much tighter than I ever imagined. I've probably watched dozens of Tail of the Dragon videos. I don't think I realized how insane this was. Oh God, I am totally gonna fucking vomit by the time we're done here. I'm not gonna try to be a tough guy about this. I could puke. Just gotta bring it right back down, because you don't know. I don't know. I've never driven this road before. I don't know what's ahead. It's a little terrifying. Just dip it into the camber. Find your way out. I've got to say, I'm kind of glad we're not like following our friends. Like, A, I don't think I have the front end grip to really be like competitive here, right? If we're gonna do that. But B, like, I don't want to be encouraged to go hotter into a corner than I really want to here. The consequences are so shitty. Like, you don't like, oh, we had an off. No, you just like, now you live in the trees, in a ditch. I think that's it, right?
There we go.
Have we done it?
And we're rewarded with this beautiful lake.
Oh my God. I'm gonna pull off here. Thank you guys so much for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing. Thank you, Maddox, for offering this killer road trip with a 99 Porsche 911 Carrera 4 and getting to experience it on one of the most iconic roads in North America, the Tail of the Dragon and Deals Gap between North Carolina and Tennessee. We're not going to stop this car because it may not start again. So this is just as dramatic as you can possibly get for a driving video. So now I want to drink a little bit of water, have a granola bar, and then Maddox is going to drive us back up the hill, and I'm going to try not to puke in this car.
Sounds good.
Sound good?
Windows are open, so
great.
All our options are open.
Don't forget to respect the drive, and I'll see you in the next one.